Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and by our background today, you guys know that I am absolutely in the festive spirit. And talking about festive, I feel like we all are looking for that festive glow, that radiant, beautiful skin which makes us go, amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my simple 3-step skincare routine that I have been following for a little time actually right now to get that beautiful festive glow. So if you want to know, please keep watching. I think for the festive season, my go-to ingredient is going to be vitamin C. Vitamin C, as we all know, is a super powerful antioxidant ingredient which helps to clear out pigmentation, dark spots, and give you radiant, beautiful skin. I have seen a huge change in my overall skin, especially since I added vitamin C as an ingredient in my skincare routine. And that is the reason why I wanted to kind of use an entire range of vitamin C products for getting my festive glow on. I use a simple 3-step routine: cleanse with the Garnier Vitamin C Face Wash, treat with the Garnier Vitamin C Serum, and seal with the Garnier Vitamin C UV Cream. So first up is cleanser, and for that I'm going to use the Garnier Vitamin C Face Wash. This has a beautiful, thick, creamy texture which is great for all skin types. What I like doing is that I take a little bit of this in my hand and lather it up on my face. It gives this beautiful, rich, creamy texture and lather which removes all the dust, dirt, pollution away from your skin. Any leftover makeup or anything of that sort, this removes everything. This face wash also helps in reducing dullness and giving healthy looking complexion. This brightens the skin, helps lessen dark spots and acne marks in just a few days. And you're left with beautiful, radiant, supple skin. And I love the fact that it doesn't strip away my skin from its natural oils and at the same time feels absolutely refreshing. Our step number 2 is the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. This serum is an absolute game changer. I have spoken about this in my previous video as well. This has 30 times the power of vitamin C and is absolutely potent. What it does is it goes deep into your skin, giving you amazing results. And the product actually says that you get to see visible results in 3 days. And I actually can adhere to that claim because I have seen a visible result, especially in my dark spots. Because I have acne prone skin, I tend to have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and this has been a game changer. And this is possibly my 2nd or 3rd bottle of vitamin C serum that I'm using. This has a combination of vitamin C, niacinamide and salicylic acid, which contains no sulfates and parabens. It has a very lightweight and non-oily formula which penetrates instantly into the skin. It also gives me that instant glow, which is a definite must-have for the festive season. This serum is available in 4 sizes: 15 ml for 249 rupees, 30 ml for 619 rupees, 50 ml for 875 rupees, and 7 ml for 129 rupees. So this is definitely a huge part of my festive skincare routine. And the best part is that it comes in various different sizes to suit your needs. So you can just pick a size that fits you. Last but definitely not the least, we have the Garnier Bright Vitamin C UV Cream. This again has such a beautiful texture. I was a little hesitant to use this because I thought that it is not going to suit my skin, but I was actually pleasantly surprised because this gets absorbed into my skin absolutely quickly. Because it is a serum and a moisturizer in one, I feel that is what makes it that much more effective. I love my skin and the way it looks, you know. You can see how radiant and bouncy and supple my skin looks after I have used this, which honestly is what I feel I need when I'm looking for my festive glow. So yes, these 3 products have been my go-to to get that beautiful festive glow. And ta-da! I am absolutely ready in my festive spirit. Honestly, I just have like minimal makeup on and I feel like my skin is skinning, and that is definitely because of the Garnier Vitamin C range. I've been loving using it for almost 2-3 weeks that I have been trying out this routine, and honestly that's the reason why I wanted to share it with you guys. My top favorite is the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. If that's just one product that you want to get from this, please just get that serum. It is going to be life-changing for you, trust me. And honestly, I feel like when your skin looks good, you just feel so much more confident, so much better. It kind of puts you in that festive, social mood. At least it does for me. So I am absolutely loving the results. I will leave a link to all of these in the description box. So definitely do check it out because I am sure you are going to like at least something from it. And yeah, I think I am ready to eat some sweets and stuff my face. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions or anything of that sort. I would love to answer that for you. And yes, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.